Have you ever wondered what it's like to own a tank? Or a 432? Today, we're about to dig out our own 432, take it through Chichester. Hopefully, won't break down. There she goes, and get it all prepped up for our cars and coffee on the 30th of this month. Now, with every outing, you have to have a banksman. It's important to have a banksman, and this is the banksman, professional banksman.
I am the banksman. Yes.
After you, lead the way, please, Stu.
Right, let's go for it, shall we?
It's a bit tight. Don't bang your head on anything.
I'll try not to.
Have you got your technical torch?
I've got my technical torch, look.
Right, ready, Mr. Ray?
Ready?
I'm here to catch you.
Okay. I'm pushing. Oh,
Come on. Get more.
Oh.
Locked.
It's a good job they're not made of heavy stuff, isn't it, tanks?
Nothing but half-inch thick.
No.
Are we going to fire the beast up?
We're going to fire it up. Main power on. Oh, we've got life.
We've got life.
Yeah,
I can hear the old fuel pump going.
Fuel pump is going.
10 to the dozen.
It's going quite a lot, to be honest.
Here we go.
We're in neutral.
We're in neutral. Fire in the hole.
Okay, we're going hot.
Yeah.
You ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready. Choke. Bit of choke.
Okay, that didn't go quite to plan.
No.
Bit of choke. All right, you ready? We're going live again.
Go. No joy. She should have fired up instantly. Is the choke right out?
Choke's out. For sake. It's a good job she runs like a champ, isn't it?
Well, she only ran a week ago. Open the hatch.
Yeah.
Just to double check that
We'll double check.
the symptoms
and
are correct. Because we've had this change from points to electronic ignition, we thought it's going to be something up with that. Because it seems to be everything that we've changed on this, because it's 1965, things go wrong. We change something and something else goes wrong.
Yeah,
it's just been a continuation on this bloody thing.
Just making sure that it's nothing obvious and nothing simple, which it doesn't look like. I'm just tightening up a couple of things, but
it's going to be fuel. It's likely going to be fuel.
It's got to be fuel.
So we're going to have to pull the baby out because the fuel filler is on the top. And the only vehicle of choice for that is going to have to be the TD5 Discovery.
The Disco Love.
It's going to have to be the Disco Love. Is it going to be up for the task?
Come to rescue. Well, we'll soon see.
We'll soon find out. Let's go and do it. Let's get it out. Well, you know it's going to be heavy when you've got inch-thick shackles.
Key to this is don't do them up tight.
Not tight.
No, because then when they get pulled, they have the tendency to get pulled tight. So if you leave them loose,
I'll leave them loose.
Yeah, we're good.
And we're talking about the Discovery.
Yes.
Discovery, to attempt to pull this, she's 220 horsepower, brute force.
Brute force. We've got about 500 pound-foot of torque.
And a heavy right foot.
And a heavy right foot. Yeah, and
So,
some decent tyres. So we should, in theory, be okay.
We're not going to bump start it, I don't think.
Are we good to go?
Good to go.
Right, let's give her a try. More revs.
Come on, baby. Off we go.
Come on, girl.
It's just on the gravel, so we'll be all right. Just keep it in.
Ready?
Yeah.
A bit more.
Go on, baby. There we go.
She's coming.
Go on.
She's coming.
There she goes, Stu. Never underestimate the TD5 Discovery.
We had no doubt.
Now, what we're going to have to do, Stu, we'll have to do a video. You know, it's coming up. Land Rover Discovery versus Toyota Land Cruiser, because that's going to please my brother.
Yes, absolutely.
Now, obviously, the Land Cruiser won't be able to do this.
No, it wouldn't.
No,
no,
it's not got the efficiencies.
no hope. No hope.
No hope. 20 litres of the good stuff. It's going in.
Are we ready? We're going hot.
Oh, there we go.
I knew she wouldn't let us down.
Let's do this.
Come
First crisis averted.
Yes.
It's now time to go and put some jungle juice in it.
Jungle juice in it. Yeah, some of the good stuff.
Remortgage the house.
I think so.
Get a bank loan.
Don't tell the wife.
Don't tell the wife, yeah, don't tell the wife, yeah. That's that famous, isn't it? It only costs £1. We worked it out to be 100 gallons, didn't we? Just over 100 gallons.
Yeah, about 500 litres.
700 odd quid.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah, it's bargain.
Bargain.
Okay.
After you.
I'll go in and open my hatch.
But as much as we do have a laugh and we do take it out and we do have a bit of fun, there is genuinely huge safety precautions that you've got to take into place. We have camera system fitted at the front, so we have a camera down this side, a camera down that side, and a camera at the back. And believe it or not, I've had 2 cyclists now when we're out in this come up on my inside and you just can't see them. So it's really important to have those safety features in place. And what you probably haven't seen is we've walked around to do a safety check just to make sure nothing's hanging off, everything's all in good order, and we're ready to be on the road. I'm not quite like a gazelle like you, Stu.
Well, you're getting there. Couple more goes. I think
I'm more like I say a wounded gazelle, but like a stuck boar. See how easy it is for people to come up on the other side, either come up on the offside or near side. They don't even take any consideration. All they are interested in videoing or photographing the bloody vehicle.
You have got a white car on your right, Tom, sat next to us.
I went and did my H licence, what was it, about 4 or 5 months ago, Stu?
Oh, at least that.
Yeah, it's got to be something like that. And obviously you can't do your H licence without getting a tank. So when we were up there, we saw this one and just had to buy it. And now driving it through the city of Chichester, it's just so surreal, but so cool at the same time. And you're able to give something back, and people absolutely love it. Tesco's, every little helps.
Yes, it does. Yeah. We'll get some points out of this one.
Yeah.
Perfect as you are. Okay. Straight. Keep going. That'll get us back to the workshop.
Yeah. 110 then before I got bored. I just went in there to go and fill up, and she said you could fill up a few more times if you like, but obviously we're just messing around, so I'm not going to fill up. Got bored. Yeah. But they said I could have done with you 5 minutes ago because they had an aggressive customer here, so we could have reversed over their car. They'd have bloody sorted that all right.
Yes, it was. Yeah.
This next.
Open.
What was that?
That was the top hatch.
Oh.
Yeah. That was the top hatch, yeah. I should have closed that perhaps. After I jumped out. Yeah. We got a little war wound.
Yeah, that's all right. Well, it didn't let us down too much. She was only out of fuel, so we can't actually count that.
User error more than anything else.
Yeah.
We can't blame the tank for that.
No, we can blame us.
Yes.
Yeah. And that was it. There's a little insight on what it's like to own a 432 and drive it around the city walls of sleepy Chichester. If you'd like to see some more content on the 432, then please do give us a thumbs up, give us a shout, give us a dig, whatever you need to do to generate that response of, I want to see more content on that. And now over to Stu to lead the reins. What's going on in the workshop?
As you know, we've always got lots going on in the workshop. Quick one just at the moment. We've got 3 chassis, as you can see, lined up here. This one we've actually built this week. So all the suspensions are now on it. We've got upgraded diffs. This one is going to have some big horsepower in the shape of an LS3, so that's looking good. This one is waiting for a M57, the 3-litre BMW diesel. So we've got the engine waiting in the wings for that. And this one is our latest build that is due to go to the States. Another left-hand drive, 300 TDI in beautiful condition now. We're going to, so the engine's all done, as you can see, gearbox, axles, suspension, the whole works. Everything's been done, nothing we haven't touched. Bulkheads on it, Keswick green, beautiful colour. So we're now just going to go ahead and get the body panels done, send those down to the body shop, get them painted and start the build. So
just on that basis, Stu, we're saying about America, we've just come back from the States.
Yeah, we
had a lovely time there, albeit very hot, 40 degrees in English terms, but super high humidity as well, really high humidity. Anyway, on these vehicles, 25 years old?
Yes.
They have to be?
Have to be 25. They have to have the original chassis and they have to have the original engines. They also have to be in the configuration they came out of the factory. So this being a 110 station wagon, that's exactly how it's got to go.
A lot of people don't know that, do they?
They don't.
And we found it out the hard way.
Yes, we did.
But now we have a fair few vehicles floating around in the States, and we've got 4 more. 4 more in build, ready to go out in various different processes, but 4 more ready to go out. That's where we are with things, and I think that concludes it quite nicely.
I think so, yeah.
Once again, we really do value your support and all your feedback. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up, hit that bell button, and we'll see you next video.